Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI.
Protecting our skin from the sun is so important. I don't leave my house without Sunbum sunscreen. This sunscreen smells like you are on a tropical vacation, and you can go ahead and daydream as you are putting this sunscreen on. My favorite feature of the sunscreen, I have to say, is the way that it rubs in so smooth. It doesn't leave any white residue, but it's also really moisturizing. It's SPF 50. It is a broad spectrum SPF, so it protects against both UVA and UVB rays, which is what you want. It's also water resistant up to 80 minutes. It's reef safe. It's great for sensitive skin. I use it on my face. I don't break out, don't have a rash, my eyes don't burn. I highly recommend this sunscreen if you are looking for a great quality product that is going to leave you with a nice tan and not a burn. Then this is the one you want to get.
And that's my point of view.